My most used yet ignored tool would by far be this 9-inch Yoast vise. I probably clamp something in it at least once a day, but what really makes this tool shine is the table extension I built a while back. It's made from 2x4s and is a great work surface that lets the 9-inch vise act as a tail vise. It's no replacement for a traditional workbench, but serves as a great supplement to a shop with limited space and can be retrofit onto most existing benches. Because of how much I use this setup and the way I first constructed it, there's a bit of play in the assembly. So I'd like to take some time to give this vise station a much needed tune-up. I'm going to square and flatten the important surfaces, replace weak sections with hardwood, and make a few changes to better utilize what this setup is great at. The joiner ate some of the end brace here, so I'm going to do the rest of this manually. Unsurprisingly, I'm already missing being able to use my vise. So currently I have this in my opposing leg vise and clamped to the workbench itself. and with that it's done. The whole thing feels a lot more stable, and with the addition of locking washers, I'll have to tighten the bolts down way less often. I also made some consumable soft jaws for the weird things that I want to hold in this vise. And after making everything a bit more square and level, the tail vise operation is better than ever.